it created this prompt off of three sentences. Again, not a lot of information given to it, no details about your business, no actual information was plugged into the prompt generator.
Yeah, yeah. This is a great job, man. I mean, this is very intuitive.
Yeah, so obviously I've seen prompts that are like that it took them 3 hours to make, and they voice cloned someone. And I, when they called me with it, I swear I couldn't even tell it was an AI. Like I thought I was talking to an actual human because it had so much information given to it.
Yeah, and I'm sure. What is it that the thoughts on like because I want to identify. Hey, I'm John. I'm a virtual agent for for XYZ Roofing Company, and I'm following up because it's like on one hand, first off, I know they'll probably be calling me up wanting to know where I got the virtual agent at, right? I mean, that's how you guys build your business is on the success of your customers. Actually, the unbelievable wild success of your customers because that's when they tell their other friends that own businesses to crush
Yeah.
crush
Like,
your product.
I mean, I guess we'll honestly have to see. It really just depends. But overall, have you besides Air, have you looked into voice AI besides like is this your first demo overall?
I'd have to look in. It seemed like I had another demo or two, but I don't remember anything about them that nothing like this. This is, I'd say, the first demo that I've had with a fully functional model, that's ready to go.
Gotcha.
I
All right.
mean, I mean, this looks to me like it's got all the elements and
Yeah.
it's ready to go to work today.
Yeah. So we can do this. We can do two prompts. So this one wasn't, there's not a lot of detail. The AI is going to have a lot of pauses. It's going to have a lot of errors because the prompt's not set in stone, right? It has three sentences to go off of. It's going to try its best to create a prompt. We can go ahead with this one. And then if you're satisfied with this one, we can move on and talk about other things. If you're not, we can go ahead and do a pre-made prompt where you can choose out of all of these options.
Oh, sweet. Oh, yeah, yeah. Well, hold on, back up for just a second. And so we can go in and we can modify any of these prompts, correct?
So these prompts are just for the demo. You guys don't have access to these prompts. All these prompts are very, very mediocre for what it is.
Really?
Yeah. So
Okay.
we do help you with prompt generating though.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna
Okay.
help you through
Well,
with
I
the
mean, I can do that. I've got I mean, it's a matter of feeding it the right content
yeah,
related to your business, correct?
sir.
Okay.
That's just simple. I'm gonna launch that call and I'm gonna go on mute. And then you can just you can leave your mic on and just interact with the AI and just let me know when you get the call.
Uh, okay. So this one, hello.
Hey there, this is Robert, and I specialize in roofing services here in Texas. How's your day going?
Fine, thank you.
That's great to hear. So I understand you might be looking for some roofing services, is that right?
Yeah.
Awesome. So what specifically are you looking for?
Either.
In need of a repair replacement.
Yes, I need a repair or replacement.
Totally understand. So what's the main issue you're facing with your roof right now?
It's old and it leaks.
Got it. Yeah, an old roof can definitely cause some leaking issues. Have you had a professional inspection done to assess the extent of the damage?
No, I have not.
No worries, we can schedule a thorough inspection to pinpoint the source of the leak and assess if a repair or replacement is the best solution for you.
Excellent.
Glad to hear that. Our goal is to provide you with the best solution for your roofing needs. We'll make sure to keep you informed every step of the way.
Excellent. When can you inspect it?
Great, we can schedule an inspection at your earliest convenience. How about I check my calendar for some available dates and get back to you?
Yeah, please do.
Awesome, I'll do that right away, get back to you with some options. In the meantime, if you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to ask.
Whose shingle manufacturers do you use?
We work with a variety of reputable shingle manufacturers to ensure we have options that fit your specific needs and budget. We can discuss the best options for your roof during the inspection.
Okay, do you sell Owens Corning asphalt shingles?
Absolutely, we do work with Owens Corning asphalt shingle. They are known for their durability and quality. If that's something you're interested in, we can definitely discuss it further during the inspection.
That's excellent, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. I'll get back to you soon with some inspection date. If you have any other questions in the meantime, feel free to reach out.
Okay, call me back.
Will do. I'll give you a call as soon as I have some available dates for the inspection. Thanks for reaching out, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.
Thank you.